Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about the site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis. So before going to the site of photosynthesis, we will first discuss about what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. If you see, there is a word itself mentioned here, photo, which means the light, and synthesis, the meaning is production. So as a whole, this is the whole process which represents the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. This is what happening in the photosynthesis. But if you go for the definition, this is the process. This is the process mostly found in green plants, algae, and in some bacteria. Like cyanobacteria, I'll mention here in the bracket, cyanobacteria, in which the carbon dioxide, in bracket I will mention CO2, water, H2O will be utilized to produce a glucose, simple carbohydrate, you can say simple carbohydrate, in bracket I will mention glucose, and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll pigment and sunlight, because that is needed here. So what I'm saying, this is the process usually found in plants, algae, and cyanobacteria particularly, in which the carbon dioxide and water are serving as, you say, reactants, and in the presence of chlorophyll pigment and sunlight, these reactants, they are generating simple carbohydrate, okay, that is so called as glucose, and the oxygen, which is the gas. So if you see the chemical reaction, that is 6CO2 plus 6H2O, here we will mention the chlorophyll, and here we will mention sunlight. As I said, the product will be glucose, that is C6 H12 and O6 and 6 you say O2. If you want to balance this reaction, you can check like carbon dioxide, like carbon is here, oxygen and hydrogen. If you compare this part with this part, whether it is balanced or not. So here the carbon number is 6 and here O number is 12 plus 6, that is a total of 18 O is here inside this, and here 12 numbers of, you say, hydrogen ion is present or hydrogen atom is present here. Then number is 6 again, and here O that is present here 6 plus 12, here 6 into 2 and all total 18, and if you go for the hydrogen, it is number is 12. So if you compare the number of carbon atom here, and oxygen, that is 18 here, again here, and hydrogen, that is 12 and 12. So now our reaction is balanced. So there will be no more confusion regarding the what is photosynthesis. Our topic of concern is the site of photosynthesis. Normally, what we are saying that the leaves of a plant serve as the site for photosynthesis. But where it is occurring, if it is happening in the leaves, then what is the exact location where the photosynthesis is occurring inside the leaf? Okay, so to study that, we will see the different structures. Like first you will take a plant here like this, and this is the leaf. Okay, let's say this is the green plant, and this is the leaves. Okay, where we are saying that this is the site of photosynthesis. If you take a section of this leaf, you will find some histological structures, like here there are different cells will be present here. I am taking a section of a leaf. This will be elongated or somewhat larger cells, you can say. So inside this cells you will find the vacuoles. I will label it properly. Okay, you can also draw these cells in this shape also, this cell, for your better understanding purpose. Like this is the, if I am magnifying this one, individual cell, they can be arranged like this. So if you see each cell here, okay, so these cells are nothing but you say palisade cells. Palisade cells of mesophyll, and this is what you say here, there is the vacuole, this structure, vacuole, and these small structures, dot like structures, you can say these are the chloroplast, which is the cell organelle. We will discuss the structure of that also. And just uh, nearer to this region there will be another, you say, cells which are arranged here, but they are loosely pegged. Okay, again there will be a layer like this at the lower portion. Okay, let me draw another structure here, and you will find here, okay, this is stomata, and again there will be a layer like this. So this is what you can say the cuticle. This is lower, also there is a cuticle, cuticular layer you can say, and this one, you see this one, this structure, okay, this structure or this layer, this particular layer. You can mention also cells here like elongated cells like this also by drawing like this, okay, elongated cells, okay. So this layer, this is epidermis, and this is the layer like you say palisade mesophyll, cells. You can, there will be palisade mesophyll cells. This is the nucleated structure. Okay, there will be again some structure here. Again small cells here, okay. So this is this particular layer here. This is, you say, mesophyll, so loosely packed cells here. Okay, loosely packed mesophylls. And this is what you say vascular bundles or vascular tissue here. Here at the exterior portion you will get the phloem, and inside these cells you will the xylem, and this structure, these cells, particularly this layer, this is the lower epidermis, and just beneath of this you will find again there will be a cuticular layer. If this is the scenario of the histological section of the leaf, then if you take one cell, again we will see by magnification what we will find. As is a plant cell, this will be in the rectangular shape. Okay, this will be your cell wall, and this will be cytoplasm, and there will be a large vacuole. As you know, the plant cell that consists of large vacuole is a central vacuole, you can say, large central vacuole. And here you will find the nucleus, and there will be some interconnected structure that is associated with the nucleus. This is the nucleus here, nucleus, and this will be there will be ER, and there are some ribosomes are bounded here. So RER I can write in here, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and here I can mention SER, that is S stands for smooth and ES stands for endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and there will be other structures like there will be free ribosomes are available. Ribosomes are also available. There will be there will be chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast is also there. Chloroplast also there. There will be mitochondria. Mitochondria is a plural term actually. Mitochondria, and there will be also a GC complex, like a Golgi complex. Okay, or you can say the Golgi apparatus. Okay, if this is the scenario, and there will be other analysis also present, but we are not discussing here. We'll discuss in some other video. And if you see the chloroplast, which is actually the cell organelle that is present inside the plant cell, so these chloroplasts are having some specialized structures inside it, at which actually the photosynthesis will be occur, or photosynthesis occurs. That is nothing but, you say, if I draw a particular structure of chloroplast, okay, it will something like this. Let me draw it properly. Okay, I'm just taking a section of this one, part of this one. So here the disc-like structure will be arranged like this. Here also, and these are connected with each other. Okay, and if I will separately show you this structure, it will be something like this, disc-like structure like this. Okay, again there will be another stack-like structure here, and those are interconnected with each other. And this is a double membrane, that's why I'm showing you like this. This is a double membrane. So this is the chloroplast. This is you say outer membrane. This one is inner membrane, and this one is thylakoid. This one is, you say, thylakoid, disc-like structure, and these are the fluid, even say stroma, the fluid. Okay, that is present inside the chloroplast, and this whole structure is called, you say, granum. This is one granum, this is another granum. So as a whole, you can see here grana in plural form. This one is singular. Okay, if you see the stroma, it is containing you see many enzymes. Stroma, it's contain a lot of things actually, but the essential part, that is enzyme. So it contains enzyme for carbohydrate synthesis, enzyme for carbohydrate synthesis, also protein synthesis, that means enzymes for protein synthesis, transcription, translation, and also for you say dark reaction, also for dark reaction, we'll discuss it later, like you can say Calvin cycle, and you know about that particular enzyme, that is Rubisco. Okay, the full form or the IUPAC name of this Rubisco is ribulose 1,5-bis-phosphate carboxylase. Okay, that is the IUPAC name of this one. So this is the most vital part. Apart from that, it also contains there will be proteins, so it also contains the proteins, and also some lipids are also present here. And this inside the disc, actually you will get chlorophyll pigment like thylakoids. So disc you will find the chlorophyll pigment, I'm writing here, certain ions, and also some enzymes. Some enzymes are also found in inside the disc also. Like you can take phosphorylase enzyme, like polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme, like polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme, nucleotide phosphorylase enzyme, and in addition to that, adenylase kinase is also there. Adenylate you say kinase enzyme is also there. So this is the site where the chlorophyll pigment is present, and the photosynthesis process is occurring here actually, where the conversion of this light energy is transferring into the chemical energy. The detail of this photosynthesis process will discuss in another video. Thank you.